Hello people, today we are going to learn about project management framework. So let's see. Uh, what are portfolios, programs and projects? So let's see what's the difference and how all these correlate. So in the organizational project management, there are three things: projects, programs and portfolios. Projects have defined objective. Scope is progressively elaborated throughout the project lifecycle. As far as the scope is concerned, this is the definition of project. For the same thing scope, the program can be defined as program have larger scope and provide more significant benefits. Portfolios have organizational scope that changes with the strategic objective of the organization. In case of change, project managers expect a change and implement processes to keep the change managed and controlled. Program manager expect change from both inside and outside the program and are prepared to manage it. Portfolio managers continuously monitor changes in the broader internal and external environment. In case of planning, project managers progressively elaborate high-level information into detailed plans throughout the project lifecycle. In case of program managers develop the overall program plan and create high-level plans to guide detailed planning at the component level. In case of portfolio managers create and maintain necessary processes and communication relative to the aggregate portfolio. Under management, project managers manage the project team to meet the project objectives. What do program managers do? Program managers manage the program staff and the project managers. They provide vision and overall leadership. What portfolio managers do? Portfolio managers may manage or coordinate portfolio management staff or program and project staff that may have reporting responsibility into aggregate portfolios. In case of success, how project managers measure the success. Success is measured by the product and project quality, timeliness, budget compliance, and degree of customer satisfaction. In case of program managers, success is measured by the degree to which the program satisfies the needs and benefits for which it was undertaken. In case of portfolio managers, success is measured in terms of aggregate investment performance and benefit realization of the portfolio. Under monitoring, project managers monitor and control the work of producing the products, services, or result that the project was undertaken to produce. Program managers monitor the progress of program component to ensure the overall goals, schedules, budgets, and benefits of the program will be met. Portfolio managers monitor strategic changes and aggregate resource allocation, performance result, and risk of the portfolio. This is a chart which will tell you how the portfolio, program, and projects interact with each other. The topmost is portfolio. Portfolio can be a project, can be a set of projects, can be set of programs under which there will be certain number of projects or other sub programs, and again sub programs will have projects. Similarly, the portfolio can have sub portfolios, and then again sub portfolios can be divided into set of projects, or it can be divided into set of programs, and then programs can again be subdivided into a set of projects, and then again it on the other side it can be um, uh, sub programs, and sub programs can again be subdivided into projects. So the highest level of this is portfolio. You can see the arrows how they interact continuously with each other, both on from the both sides. Projects and strategic planning. Projects are often utilized as a means of directly or indirectly achieving objectives within an organization's strategic plan. Projects are typically authorized as a result of one or more of the following strategic consideration. So market demand, whenever a project is undertaken, there are certain market drivers which leads to a project initiation. So let's see one by one. So market demand, for example, a car company authorizing a project to build more fuel efficient car in response to gasoline shortage. So this is an example of market demand which will lead to a reproduction of a new fuel efficient car. Another market driver could be strategic opportunity or business need. Example, training company authorizing a project to create a new course to increase its revenue. Another market driver could be social need. What is social need? For example, a non-governmental organization in developing country authorizing a project to provide potable water system, latrines and sanitation, education to communities suffering from high rates of infectious diseases. So this is an example of social need. Society needs some improvement, then this might lead to initiation of a new project. Another market driver is environmental consideration. Example of this would be a public company authorizing a project to create a new service for electric car sharing to reduce pollution. So this is kind of environmental consideration which will lead to a new project to reduce the pollution. Another market driver is customer request. For example, an electric utility authorizing a project to build a new substation to serve a new industrial park. Next thing is technological advance can lead to a new project. An electronic firm authorizing a new project to develop a faster, cheaper, and smaller laptop based on advances in computer, memory, and electronic technology. Legal requirement can lead to a new project. Example, a chemical manufacturer authorizing a project to establish guidelines for a proper handling of a new toxic material. So all these are seven things are market drivers which can lead to a new project initiation. Let's see what's project management office. A project management office or PMO is a management structure that standardizes the project related governance processes and facilitates the sharing of resources, methodologies, tools, and techniques. The responsibilities of the PMO can range from providing project management support functions to actually being responsible for direct management of one or more projects. Types of PMO in the increasing degree of control and influence they have on project within the organizations are. So this is there are three kinds of PMO: supportive, controlling, and directive. And going downwards is signifies the increasing control on the projects. So let's see one by one. This what is supportive PMO? Supportive PMOs provide a consultative role to projects by supplying templates, best practices, training, access to information, and lesson learned from other projects. This type of PMO serves as a project repository. The degree of control provided by PMO is low. So in case of supporting the PMO's control is uh, just kind of consultative approach, not, and they don't interfere in any other activities. So the PMO role is a PMO is in the control. The degree of control is low in this case. The controlling PMOs provide support and require compliance through various means. Compliance may involve adopting project management framework or methodologies, using specific template, forms and tools, or conformance to governance. The degree of control provided by PMO is moderate. So this kind of PMOs require compliance. So it has higher degree of control than supportive. The last one is directive. Directive PMOs take control of the project by directly managing the projects. The degree of control provided by PMO is high. So this is like directly managing the project. The directive PMO is like directly managing the project. So let's see next thing. Function of PMO. The primary function of PMO is to support project manager in a variety of ways, which may include but are not limited to managing shared resources across all projects administered by PMO, identifying and developing project management methodology, best practices, standards, coaching, mentoring, training, and oversight. Monitoring compliance with project management standard, policies, procedures, templates by means of project audits. Developing and managing project policies, procedures, templates, and other shared documentation, organizational process assets. And the last thing is coordinating communication across projects. So this is just typical functions of project management office. Uh, let's see the difference between PMOs and PMs. Difference between project management offices versus project managers. The project manager focuses on specified project objectives, while PMO manages major program scope changes, which may be seen as potential opportunities to better achieve business objective. So PMO's main focus is on business objective, and project managers main focus on the specified project objectives. The project manager controls the assigned project resources to best meet project objective, while PMO optimizes the use of shared organizational resources across all projects. The project manager manages the constraints, scope, schedule, cost, quality, etc. of the individual project, while PMO manages the methodologies, standards, overall risk and opportunities, metrics, and interdependencies among the project and at enterprise level. So, in short, PMOs find better opportunities for collaborated project management, whereas PM achieves specific project objective. Second thing is PMO optimize shared resources, PMs manage assigned resources. Third is PMO manage methodologies, standards, whereas PMs manage constraints. So this is quite easy. Try to remember this. So guys, I think you got some idea on the PM framework. Come back to my channel for more video on PMP tutorial. Thanks for watching.